Welcome to the future of gaming. Let's get your PlayStation 5 ready to play first. Carefully unpack everything. Make sure you have the console, DualSense controller, HDMI cable, power cord, and the base. Now for the connections, take the HDMI cable and plug one end into the HDMI out port on the back of your PS5, and the other into your TV's HDMI port. Connect the power cord to the PS5 and then to a wall outlet. Power it on. Press the power button on the console. Hopefully, you can quickly identify the corresponding logo on your console. The light on the console should turn on. Press the PlayStation button on your DualSense controller to connect it. Time to set up your console. You'll be guided through the initial setup. Connect to your Wi-Fi network, then sign into your PlayStation Network account or create a new one. Once logged in, personalize your experience, adjust video and audio settings, explore the settings menu, especially the users and accounts section, and verify your internet connection and linked accounts. You're now ready to download games.